So I'm missing a screw here because I dropped it or bolt here. It's actually number 10 bolt. So you have to come to machine screws section. And then I'm gonna try 332, which is 32 number is a thread, and it's a very fine thread for machine screw here. Or you can make it a little bit longer, 3/4, but I think 1/2 inch should be good, which is this one here, 1/2 inch. So that will fit this lock hole here. Okay, so here you go. That's the easy way, because if you go to a dealer, they're gonna have you buy the whole assembly, which is gonna cost you a few $100s. That's crazy. So it's just a I guess a machine screw. Now you have to make sure that there's a thread number 24, which is a little bit not as fine thread as you. This is not the one I'm going to be using, but you can see the thread here is not as fine as, if you can see, this one here, which is the finest finer thread, number 32. So make sure you get number 32 and then the length that you want, and you all set. Solve the problem. Thanks for watching.